Dear leaders, let's be more mindful of this unconscious bias that the older we get, the more we develop this thinking that we don't need to recognize or praise our people. And that's because when people are smart enough, they do know if they've done something good. Not everyone's like that. The younger your generations are in the workplace, the more that they will appreciate if you tell it to them and explicitly say it to them. In Gary Chapman's love language, we call this as words of affirmation. And so please take the time. It doesn't cost you a lot, nor does it hurt you that if someone in your team has done something so amazing, tell it to them. John, I saw your presentation. Good job. I heard that you even worked during the weekends for it. Anna, I was listening to your conversation with the client. Good job. Continue doing X, Y, and Z. Frequency of feedback and quality of feedback does matter for our people.